Hello YT family, it's your girl Tiger here. I'm coming at y'all with my second step of painting my Reborn. And the second step is going to be giving it a rub down with the alcohol. But first I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm going to go inside the limbs a little bit, like for excess water or anything like that, and just dry that out real good. And I'm going to do that with every limb. Okay. And I'm going to just take this, I have on gloves, and I'm going to take this cosmetic wedge right here. And I'm going to submerge it in alcohol. And I'm just going to go over the kit further with this to make sure that there is no more oil or anything further on this kit. So I'm just gonna go around it with the alcohol, because I want my paint to stick. I don't want it to be, having a hard time sticking or anything like that. So I'm just giving my limbs of my Reborn baby further rub down with the alcohol. I'm using a cosmetic wedge. And I'm rubbing the little feet and the little heels, and I like her feet on this one. Oh my goodness. Yeah. And just getting all the areas, just making sure there's no oil, because I want painting to be, I want my paint to stick. So we just got to make sure that she clean. And like for like the base, like where this little groove is at, you can take like the tip of your wedge and kind of just go through it like that. Just going through like that. And I'm just going to do this with all of the limbs. I'm doing all the limbs the same way. The arms, the legs, the feet, everything. Everything the same way. We don't need no oil on our kit when we're ready to paint. And I'm getting all in between, like the hands, the palms, the fingers, the fingertips, all that. And you can go through like the fingers and stuff with the wedge like that. See? Yeah. Let's get on in there. And go with that tip, like around the edges. And this is just, I know I washed the kit already, but this is just to really make sure that my kit is clean. So when I get ready to paint, I don't have any issues. And we don't want any issues. And then I'm still going to go, like I did with the other part, I'm going to go inside this with the paper towel. In case any water still in there. And sure that's clean. And I'm just going to keep going. This is the head. And I want to get a little bit more alcohol for the head, because that's going to be her beautiful face, and we want that to be perfect, right? Okay. So. And I have on gloves because I don't want anything, even though I wash my hands, I don't want anything to get on my kit that's not supposed to be there. Nothing at all. Just giving my baby a wash down with this alcohol. Head, the nose, the mouth. I use the little the wedge, the thin part, so I can get inside the mouth. We just don't want no oil. nothing on our kit to stop us from getting a nice paint job. But this is like really, this is really gonna be an experience for me because this is like my first kit that I'm painting on my own. Oh my god, y'all just don't know. I'm like super nervous and excited at the same time because I don't want, I just want it to turn out beautiful. Like, I just want it to turn out beautiful. Yeah. And, then I'm gonna go inside her head at the bottom and check for any excess water. I got to get the other ones. Did feel a drip, something coming out. I don't want that. Then I'm going just inside the grooves of the base with the thin part of the cosmetic sponge. And yeah, it dries quick. That's good. Yes. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay. So, on with the head. Got another arm over here to do. And so basically, I'm just going to keep doing this to the rest of her limbs. This arm and, excuse me, and her other leg. And then I'm going to let that dry. And then I'll be ready for my next step. Alright, you guys. Be back.